increase motivation and productivity. Physical symptoms like headache, muscle tension, or trouble sleeping will help you reduce stress, maintain your energy, and achieve a healthier work life balance. Hello everyone. Let me start with a quick question. How many of you have ever felt completely drained, both mentally and physically, from work? Please comment in the chat box drained if you are agree with it. Second is, how many of you feel like you are always on the go with no time to rest or recharge? If you are agree, type in the recharge. You are not alone. Today we are talking about a common issue faced by working professionals: burnout. High pressure job can take a toll on us, but the good news is that there are ways to manage stress and prevent burnout. My name is Dharmendra Singh, also known as PM Dharmendra, and today I'll be sharing how to identify and prevent burnout in high stress environment. With a right strategies, you can manage your stresses, stay productive, and protect your well-being. Now you will say, you ask me, Dharmendra, so what's in it for me? By the end of this session, you will learn how to recognize the sign of burnout and gain practical strategies like mindfulness and time management to prevent it. These tips will help you reduce stress, maintain your energy, and achieve a healthier work-life balance. Why am I so passionate about this? After year of experience, year of working in demanding environment, managing tight deadlines, I have firsthand how burnout can creep in. Over time, I developed strategies to handle stress effectively and prevent burnout, allowing me to stay productive without sacrificing my health. Today, I am excited to share these insights with you. Now, question is, how identify and prevent burnout? Let's jump into it. Where are 5 strategies to help you recognize and prevent burnout in high pressure. First thing is, recognize the early signs of burnout. The first step of the preventing burnout is knowing the sign. Burnout doesn't happen overnight. It builds up over time, so it's important to spot it early. Common sign of burnout includes chronic exhaustion, feeling physically and mentally drained, increased cynicism or negativity towards work, decreased motivation and productivity. Physical symptoms like headache, muscle tension, or trouble sleeping. Why does this matter? Recognizing these signs early on allows you to take action before burnout fully sets in. Awareness is the first step toward prevention. Second is the practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing stress. By staying present and focusing on the moment, you can calm your mind and reduce the impact of stress. Now, question is next: how to practice mindfulness? Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and bring awareness to your thoughts and body. Try a quick deep breathing exercise. Inhale 4 and exhale for 4. Repeat a few times for relax. Like, use mindfulness, such kind of this app like Headspace and Calm to guide you through short meditation sessions. Why does this work? Mindfulness helps you stay grounded, reduce anxiety, and allows you to approach challenges with a clearer mind. Third is, set boundaries and prioritize breaks. One of the main causes of burnout is lack of boundaries between work and personal life. By setting boundaries and taking regular breaks, you give yourself a chance to recharge, like a mobile phone. Because for the charging, you have to give rest. And so, how to boundaries and prioritize breaks? Set specific work hours and avoid checking emails or taking calls outside of these times. Use Pomodoro technique. and work for 25 minutes and then take 5-minute break. To manage your energy throughout the day, take short breaks to step away from your desk or stretch, sometimes stretch like that. So you get some fresh air. Why does this work? Boundaries and breaks prevent you from the becoming overwhelmed, helping you recharge and come back to tasks with fresh energy. Now, fourth thing is manage your time with 80-20 rule. Effective time management can reduce stress by helping you focus on what truly matters. The 80-20 rules or Pareto principles states that 80% of the results come from 20% of effort. Focus on high impact tasks and delegate or eliminate the rest. How to apply the 80-20 rules? Identify your top priorities. Each day, tackle those tasks first. Use tools like to-do list or digital planner to keep track high impact tasks. Delegate tasks that aren't as impactful whenever possible. Why does this work? Time management allows you to work smarter, not harder, which reduces unnecessary stress and free up more time for rest. Fifth is make self care a priority. Self care is crucial for preventing burnout. Taking care of your physical and mental well being allows you to manage stress better and stay productive. How to incorporate self care? Exercise regularly. Even a short walk can boost your mood and relieve stress. Prioritize quality sleep by establishing a bedtime routine and keeping a consistent sleep schedule. Engage in hobbies or activities you enjoy to unwind and reset your mind. Now question is how does this work? Self-care replenishes your energy and keeps you balanced, making it easier to face work challenges without feeling overwhelmed. Now the time is call to action. CTA. There is no law of attraction without action. You know how to identify and prevent burnout. Here is what I want you to do. Start applying one or two of these strategies tomorrow. Practice mindfulness, set boundaries and or priorities. Self-care. These steps will make a real difference in your ability to manage stress and maintain your well-being. There is a one very popular quote. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more insights on managing stress, productivity and personal growth. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you in the next video.